neighborhood that Tom Cruise and Dakota Fanning, who star in the film, hide out in. We're going to make a brief picture stop here to allow you to safely stand up and get some pictures of this incredible set. So go ahead and stand up, and while you're taking pictures, make sure you take a picture of that plane on the left side of the tram. That is a real plane. That is a Boeing 747, and here's the scene in the movie it was destroyed for.
The airplane press set is a perfect example of a set that is all designed around a vision that Stephen had.
Again, sit down and talk about it. What if the 747 goes down right in a big neighborhood? Because it's just something you don't see.
You're doing good. I see good. Listen, me. Listen, I want you to push me. Okay? Come close. Robbie, get in. Get in.
My goodness, that's why I do not fly all that space station. So by now, we getting it around here, stuff isn't always what it seems or where it seems. The universe of life, you don't